Ever wanted to make your life easier with stuff you already have at home? Well, get ready for some amazing tricks that'll save you time, money, and maybe even a headache or two. From kitchen hacks to workshop solutions, we're about to transform everyday items into brilliant problem solvers. Let's go! Cut off the top part of a plastic bottle. Attach it to a long plastic pipe using Scotch tape or electrical tape. Choose a bottle with a diameter that allows the light bulb to fit snugly. Insert the bulb into the resulting device. Now you can easily change light bulbs in hard-to-reach places without using a ladder. Tired of searching for the right tool in a huge box? Turn a large plastic container into a convenient workshop organizer. Cut holes of different diameters on the sides and top of the container, considering the size of your tools. Distribute the tools through the holes. Now everything you need is always visible and at hand, no more mess in your toolbox. If the locking tab on your network cable connector is broken and it falls out of the socket, insert a piece of plastic zip tie into the modem socket from above, where the tab should be. Now insert the cable, it will stay securely in place. For additional security, you can secure the connection with another zip tie. There's a small hole at the beginning of the measuring tape, it's not there by accident. Insert a push pin into it and secure the tape to the surface. Now you can easily take measurements alone, the tape stays firmly in place while you freely measure the required distance. Bend one end of a paper clip straight, remove paint or coating if necessary. Insert the resulting tip into the SIM card tray hole. Press gently and the tray will easily slide out. Heat water until almost boiling when bubbles appear at the bottom. Take a whisk and quickly stir the water clockwise, creating a whirlpool. Carefully crack an egg into the center of the whirlpool. After a few minutes, remove the egg. You'll have a perfect poached egg with a liquid yolk. A great addition to breakfast or sandwiches. Cut off a small piece of heat shrink tubing. Seal one end. Moisten cotton with alcohol and place it inside the tube. Seal the other end. Done, a compact and reliable fire starter is always with you. While camping, just cut the tube, take out the alcohol-soaked cotton, and use it to start a fire. Don't rush to throw away an old brush with stiff bristles. Remove the metal part with the bristles. Take the remaining wooden handle, secure it in a vise, and drill a hole in the center. Make the same hole in a binder clip. Connect them with a self-tapping screw. Fold a regular dish sponge in half and secure it in the clip. Your new brush is ready to work. Cut off the bottom of a plastic bottle. Make multiple holes around the circle and one in the center. Insert a metal hook into the center hole. Install the resulting strainer in the drain hole. Now debris won't clog the drain, and the strainer is easy to remove and clean. Cut a lemon into small pieces and distribute them into ice cube trays. Pour a small amount of water into each cell and place in the freezer. Now you have aromatic cubes for tea. They will slightly cool the drink and give it a fresh lemon taste. A great way to preserve lemon for a long time if you only use it for tea. Place a half-filled Coke bottle horizontally. Write the needed formulas or text on it with a black pen. In vertical position, the writing won't be visible against the dark drink. Make cuts in a plastic bottle cap. Glue it with hot glue to a regular cap without cuts. Screw the regular cap onto a water bottle. Insert the phone into the cap with cuts. A simple and reliable tripod for video recording is ready. Straighten a paper clip into a straight wire. Wind it around a round marker or other cylindrical object. Remove the resulting ring from the marker. Now you have a homemade tea ring. Now I'll show you how to make a homemade zip tie from a strip cut from a plastic bottle. If you need to cut a plastic pipe that's close to the wall, you won't be able to use a saw. Wrap a cord around the pipe and hold both ends. Move the cord back and forth like a saw, gradually cutting deeper into the plastic. Cut unwanted cardboard boxes into strips of equal width and length. Prepare natural paste from flour and water. It's safe for cats. You can find the paste recipe online. Glue all strips together with the paste. Make the sides. Clamp the construction between two boards and leave until completely dry. After removing the boards, you'll have an eco-friendly scratching post that your pet will surely love. If you've locked your keys in the car, apply several wide strips of tape to the door glass. Pull the edge of the tape down firmly and open the door. If you store grains in large bags, it's very important to tie them well to prevent odors and insects. And here's an excellent way to do it. Spray tube keeps getting lost? Wrap a plastic zip tie around the can and tighten it. Insert the spray tube between the zip tie and the can. Now the tube will always be at hand. Spray WD-40 on the fuel door latch mechanism. Open and close the door several times to distribute the lubricant. Now the door will open without sticking. Attach 2 plastic zip ties on both sides of a plastic pipe holder. Attach a marker to the zip ties. Put the holder with the marker on a plastic pipe. Glue the pipe to a wooden stand with hot glue. With this device, you can draw a perfectly straight line at the desired height.